Hi, Jason Harvey here from ModularWalls for a quick end of financial year wrap. Congratulations to all our customers, our trade partners, commercial clients and of course our internal team for another record year at ModularWalls. The last 12 months has seen over 250,000 Australians visit our website, resulting in more than 6,000 project requests and record sales. So congratulations everyone for a stellar year. The commercial department made strong gains in Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and Tassie, with our EnduroMax panel the only pre-approved composite roadside noise barrier. Coupled with gains from developers, education and industrial projects, it was a solid performance. On the product side, our AcoustiZorb launched to new stratospheres, being chosen by Australia's most prominent icons, including the Sydney Opera House, the Harbour Bridge and Sydney Town Hall, clearly cementing its place as the most exciting new product in the noise absorption market. The residential business also grew soundly, with many new builds and quality indoor-outdoor living spaces, including premium fencing and grand front walls. ModularWalls also welcomed over 170 first-time trade partners, and it was obvious from their first builds they enjoyed the benefits of swift installation, easy lightweight products and superior look for their customers. A real highlight was the official opening of our purpose-built factory by the Treasurer and local member Scott Morrison right here in Kurnell. What an event. It's a fabulous facility designed to drive business into the future, which we'll all benefit from. Of great satisfaction was our involvement in the community during the 17-18 period. We helped raise over $10,000 collectively for the Children's Cancer Council at both Dare Your Boss and Endure for a Cure events, which was incredibly special. It was also nice to see some of Australia's key home and landscape designers and influencers, including Mon Palmer, Style Curator and Katrina Chambers, choose to support and promote ModularWalls. And there's even more exciting collaborations ahead. The social audience has really caught on, with a record 24,000 followers of the business. There's so many positive comments and a real supportive community building. It was so good to see so many happy faces and testimonials from our customers and trade partners throughout the year. It's so rewarding for the team, so thank you. At ModularWalls, we have an amazing group of people who have worked tirelessly to achieve results. We've enjoyed the advance and the fun moments too. A huge thank you to all. And finally to you, our supportive customers, who we've had the privilege to work with over the last 15 years. Thank you for your ongoing support, and we look forward to another cracking period here at ModularWalls.